All right, so guys, we finally got the engine seat mounted. All right, the engine is good now. Everything is back in place the way it's supposed to be. But the gearbox seat also, was a little bit crumpy, so we have to straighten it up so it fixed perfectly. So we worked on that, and we also get that mounted perfectly. So we made a huge mistake by not putting in the exhaust before putting the engine, so it gave us a little bit headache, but we were able to fix that in there as well. As you can see, we have the shaft in there, the long shaft that comes from the gearbox all the way to the back axle. We got that on as well. The exhaust is also back on as well. So we are just checking around the engine to make sure everything is back in place before we put the cap on. And we discovered a little problem. We lost one of the gasket on the exhaust, which mounts on the EcoBoost. All right, so we have to get that from the market, which is probably gonna be tomorrow. So once we get all that done and we fix everything's back in place, all we gotta do is to put the cap back on and start putting back the hose, to make sure that everything is good. Okay, so guys, you guys gonna get the next video tomorrow. Subscribe, hit on the bell, so you're gonna get a notification once we post the next video. Thank you.